Well, it's Monday. Generator's running. We had a generator mechanic come out and look at it today, and he believes it is the remote start switch that's going to ground is what is causing it to shut off. This is the remote start switch. So we've got it disconnected. We flushed the radiator out on it. Now flushing the condenser coil out on the trailer air conditioner. Doing a little maintenance before we put it away. That trailer's unloaded, blowed out, cleaned out. Car's in the barn. Gonna start stripping it apart to get it ready to wash. Well, it's Thursday night. Change of plans, 9:78. Dave and Darren worked over the car pretty good Tuesday night. Found a couple things wrong with it, fixed them. Darren decided we're not going to get any faster setting it home, so we are headed to Brownstown tomorrow night. If everything goes good tomorrow night, we will be heading to Peevely on Saturday night. Car is done. Dave, Doug, and I are getting ready to load her in the trailer. Didn't get any footage Tuesday night. Everybody was busy doing stuff, including myself. So got a little bit of washing Monday night. Ground some tires tonight. Dave ground some tires, got stagger set, and she'll be going in the box shortly. Well, locked and loaded. Parked, refrigerator's going. Ready to roll out about 3 o'clock tomorrow for Brownstown. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Leave us a comment. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Darren's race car in the lower right hand corner. Don't forget to check out our website, DarynKleinRacing.com. You can pick up t-shirts there, and hopefully soon we will have hats. Catch you all tomorrow.